Hello everybody, how you feeling? Welcome to creatingwebsite.org. Today I want to show you how you can make a church website. I'm going to go ahead and delete all these things for you. Let me see, we got the picture here. Let's got the logo. Going to take that out. Got our menu, we'll take that out. And we got some header text. Let's go ahead and take that out. I'm going to show you how you can make this website. This is how it looks if you actually go to the website. It's a church website. So there you go. You got your logo, menu, nice little picture. Got some flyers going on. And then you got a place where you can give. Real quick, I'm going to show you how you can do it. Okay, so let's go ahead and take all these out. And I am using the plugin called Thrive Architect. I'll put a link in the video where you could get your own copy of this plugin if you're a web designer or if you're barely beginning. If you can send an email, you can design a website for your church. It's that simple. All right, let's go ahead and do this. We'll take everything out. We're going to start from the beginning. Okay, let's take that out. Boom. All right, this is what we got. We got a blank page. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And I'm going to show you how this page is going to look right now if we were to view it. That's how it looks. But let's add some content. First thing we want to do is once you have Thrive Architect, you download it. Here's all the options you have. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put a background section, click and drag. Okay, in this section, we're going to add a menu section. Let's go ahead and get our custom menu right here. I'm going to click it, drag it, drop it in. Now you got a menu. Okay, let's go ahead and see if we could put our menu in the center. We'll do it like that, and now hit save. Okay, next thing we have a logo. So let's go ahead and put the logo. So we're going to get image. We're going to go to the top there, insert image. We're going to go to our logo. We're going to click it, and we're going to hit insert into post. Then you're going to click on it, resize it to the size you want. And we're also going to make our image go in the middle. So you go to layout position, hit middle. Let's make it a little bit smaller. So we're going to click it, go to image options, and slide it over a little bit. There we go. I want to bring the menu up a little bit closer to the logo. So I'm going to click on that area. Click on the area of what I want to bring up. Go to layout position, click the arrow, and we're going to slide it up. Let's see here. Okay, boom. Or actually, I'm going to click the logo, and then we're going to go layout position, and let's see what we got here. Let's put it about right there. Then we're going to hit save. Okay, next thing we got is we got a nice image, nice background image. So what I'm going to do, we're going to go over here, hit background section. We're going to click and drag. We want it to go below. Okay, then we're going to click that, click the section, background section. Then we're going to go to background style. We're going to select image, choose image, and we want the picture of the Golden Gate Bridge. Okay, we're going to hit apply, and we're going to hit save. We're making progress. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to resize it so you can see the whole picture. So we're going to go up here to layout position. I'm sorry, not layout position. Let's go ahead and click on that, and you're going to click section options, and then we're going to scroll to the right, make it bigger. Boom, I like that right there. Let's go ahead and hit save. Okay, now we're making progress. Let's go ahead and view what we got. We went from being blank to now we've got this. Okay, not bad. We're making progress. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put a header. So we're going to go here where it says heading, click, drag, bring it over. Excuse me. We don't want it there. Let's drop it down. Boom. And let's make it white. So we'll type Victory Outreach San Francisco. I think that's what it says. Let's see. Yeah, Victory Outreach San Francisco. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and select the text. We're going to make it white. Boom. Hit apply. Let's break it to the middle. Resize it a little bit, so you click font size, slide it over, hit save. All right, let's see what we got. All right, looking nice. Now under that, we want to put a statement that says a people you call family, a place you call home. Real simple. You're going to come over here, paragraph, slide it right under there. So let's go to paragraph, and you're going to slide it over. Okay, a people you call family, and a place you call home. Boom. All right, let's make that white. So we're going to select our text, select white, hit apply, let's bring it to the middle. Okay, boom. Let's go ahead and hit save. Now let's see how our website looks. You've pretty much almost got you a nice little church website. So let's see how it looks. Boom, looking good. Okay, now we're going to add the image of the pastors and the information for the services. Let's go ahead and do that. Boom. So now what I want to do is I want to come over here, grab image, and we're going to slide the image over. So where's that image? Slide it down below. Okay, we're going to select the pastors. We're going to make the image a little smaller. Boom. Okay. And then we're going to put a style. Let's put a circle. Hit apply. Make the image a little bigger. Hit save. Okay, now we want to move the image. So let's see how we can do that. Layout position. Let's see if we can move the image. Where we at? Layout position. Let's try to move to the right, and then we'll go down. So let's try this number here. Keep sliding it down. Click the arrow. That's all you gotta do is click and drag. Let's make the image a little bit smaller. So we're gonna go to image effects, not image effects, image options, and we're gonna slide it a little bit. Boom. Okay, let's bring it down a little bit more since we resized it. Right there, sitting pretty, sitting pretty. Okay, let's go ahead and hit save. Let's refresh our page and see what we got now for our preview. It's coming along. So now we want to add the text, this text here. Okay, what you're going to do, oops, I think I just closed the whole thing. So let me relaunch. Sorry about that. Welcome to behind the scenes. Okay, so this is what we got so far. So now I'm going to add this text here. We invite you to join us for our next church service. So let's go ahead and hit heading, slide it down. And I'm just going to copy and paste, okay, so that way you don't have to see me type all this stuff. So copy, boom, we're going to paste it. Okay, let's change the color. Let's change it to black. Hit apply. Let's go ahead and center it. Okay, hit save. Now we want to add this text here. The way you do that is you want to make two columns. Okay, so you're going to go here and see where it says columns. Click, drag, slide it under, and then you want to choose two. There you go. Now, what you want to do is you want to place paragraph in these columns. And it's easy to duplicate your once you place your paragraph, you just hit duplicate, and now you can slide this paragraph over here. So now you have two. And I'm just going to simply take this text, copy it, so you don't have to see me type it. Okay, so I'm going to select that, paste the text in there. And then come over here, grab this text, copy it, and place the text in here. Boom. Now what I'm going to do is going to center this text. Boom. Oops, got to select the whole thing. Center it. Center it. Hit save. It's amazing. And we've been at this for about, what, 5 minutes now? And we almost got a website. Let's go ahead and save it. Let's hit preview. I'm sorry, not 5 minutes. We've been at it about 9 minutes. My bad. So look at what you got so far. You got a nice little website coming along. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to add these two images. These two images right here. So what we want to do is you want to go over here, select image. Oh, sorry about that. My bad. Let me create the two columns first. Okay, so we got to go here, columns, and we're going to select two columns. And now instead of dragging paragraph, we're going to drag image. Slide it down. Okay, and we're going to pick this image here. Let's go ahead and duplicate. And we'll slide one of these over, and we're simply going to change the image. Okay, so now you got two pictures. Make sure they line up. Friday for Friday, Sunday for Sunday. Let's go ahead and hit save. Let's refresh and see what you got. Wow. Now what I want to do is, I notice this one has borders. So let's put some borders. Let's see. Yeah, let's put some borders here. Let me go ahead and close some of these windows. Okay. So we're going to put some borders here. So let's go ahead and click on the image. And you could either put a frame, which is pretty cool, huh? Boom. Or you could do, like, you know, different styles here. But we're going to put a border. Boom. Going to hit apply. And we're going to hit save. Let's go ahead and see how it's looking now. Let's go here, hit preview. Let's close this one. See what we got. So now you got a website. Wow, that is nice. Not too bad for under 15 minutes for a nice looking website. Okay, now last thing we're going to do is put your little footer here. So what I want to do is I'm going to go here to heading, drop it down, come over here, get the text. Actually, I'm going to change it up a little bit on you. Let's do this. Let's go ahead and take our heading out. I'm going to put a background section, make it look nice. So that way you can change the color. Now I'm going to click on here and see where it says, where are we at? Decorations. Let me see if I can fix it up for you. Let me see if I can fix it up for you really quick. Sorry about that. I changed it up on you. Okay, see where it says background style? We're going to click that and we're going to change the color. Ooh, I like it. Let's make it, I like that color. Just picking a color really quick. You could do styles. Yeah, you could do it like that. You could put different patterns. Let's try that pattern. Okay, I'm going to hit save. Now what I want to do is I want to drop a paragraph in here inside the background. Make sure you put inside, not above or beneath. Now I'm going to come get this text, this footer text, copy it, and I'm going to drop it in here. Wow. And then I'm going to center it. Oops, got to select the whole thing. My goal is to get you out by 15 minutes. I know it's a little long, a little lengthy, but this is a website from beginning to end on what you can do with Thrive Architect. All right, so let's go ahead and save. Let's hit preview. There it is, from start to finish. You got your nice little website. Come on, somebody. Isn't that awesome? Now you got home page. You can click that. Now you want to add your pages, which I haven't done, but I just wanted to show you some basics. I don't want to keep you here for too long, but I do teach you in the class on how to add separate pages to your website. If you want to take my class for free, all you got to do is go to creatingwebsite.org, sign up for my free online class, and I'll walk you through step-by-step on how to create a whole website from beginning to end. Thank you for tuning in. It's your boy, Pastor Drake, at creatingwebsite.org.